Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for easy and simple lecture sessions related to BBA, BCom, MBA, and MCom.
So consumer is basically an individual or a group of people who buys products or services for their personal use and not for any kind of resale. We can say that the consumer is the person who is the decision maker and whose decisions are influenced by various kinds of marketing efforts that are carried out by the marketers. The consumer participates in buying process through different types of roles depending upon the requirements of the situation. So these are 6 buying roles of consumers. The first one is initiator. So the initiator is basically a person or a consumer who first starts and thinks of an idea of buying a particular product or a service. Then second comes the influencer. So influencer is a person who influences the buying decision of others. For example, the kids or the children of in a family influence their family members in buying toys or any other like electronic items. Then the third is the decider. So decider is a person who ultimately determines any part or the whole of a buying decision, whether to buy, what to buy, how to buy, when to buy, and where to buy. Children are the deciders for buying the toys, and then the females are the deciders for buying the kitchen items, and the head of the family is mostly the decider for buying the some like a durable or a luxury items. Then the fourth comes the gatekeeper. So the person or the organization which acts as a filter on the range of sources which enters the decision choice set is a gatekeeper. We can say we can say that they filter the range of products that are to be bought. Then is the buyer. The buyer is the person who actually purchases. Buyer may be the decider or he may be the some other person. For example, the children are the deciders for purchasing toys, books, but the purchases are made by their parents. So we can say here the parents are the exact buyers. And the last role is the user. So user is the person who actually uses the consumer products or services. For example, the toys are bought by the parents which are used by the children. So we can say that marketers' task is to study the buying process and its participants and their role in the buying process. The marketing people should clearly study and identify the role and the level of participation of a consumer in buying process.